Welcome to WP Design Lab, your go-to channel for WordPress tutorials and plugins. Today, I'll show you how to add a lightweight, smooth infinite loop gallery powered by GSAP.js in WordPress, featuring image uploads, drag and drop ordering, background color customization, and scroll speed control. First, download the Loop Gallery WordPress plugin from the link in the description. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins. Add New Upload the zip file and activate it. After activation, go to Settings. Loop Gallery. Here, you can upload your gallery images using the media library. Add as many images as you want. Let's add a few now. In the settings, you can also set a custom background color for your gallery and adjust the scroll speed. Higher values make the scrolling slower. To add the gallery anywhere on your site, simply insert this shortcode into a page, Post. The gallery automatically splits your images into columns, duplicates them for a seamless infinite loop, and animates everything smoothly using JavaScript. Keep in mind, this gallery is designed to be displayed full page for the best effect. Let's add the shortcode to a page and preview how it looks. Here's the final view of our gallery page. Scroll Trigger tracks your scrolling speed. Scroll faster, and the gallery speeds up. Slow down or stop, and it eases back smoothly. Plus, you can click and hold any image to pause the scrolling, then release to resume. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more WordPress and GSAP tutorials. Check the description for the download link and source code. Follow me for future plugin updates, and drop a comment if you run into any issues. Thanks, and goodbye.